Okay, so I finally am able to get repeatable results out of the out of my dual extrusion system. So I'm able to get proper you know the black part is the conductive material, and the other is a different plastic. And so the big thing that I've been working on is trying to make the system completely printed so that it'll be ready going forward to just be a downloadable thing where you don't have to go and buy um, a bunch of extra outdated stuff that'll be outdated you know as soon as I put it in. So just printing the sensors and all of that into the device means that it's 100% downloadable. So this is I think I found a mix that works pretty good. Um, these were like ideas of taking, these putting one, like say the pin and here, and then the anode there, and then pushing those together and getting a touch sensor. But they didn't quite work the way I wanted. What I do find that works is this here. This is here you have one's going to one pin and one's going to the other, and then just using this on top at a particular, see, the key is using it at a particular thickness. So at this thickness, when I put this on here as kind of like a key, you see this is what it is normally. But as soon as I just apply any finger pressure to it at all, you see, it's it's very sensitive. So I'm able to get some reasonably reliable readings, because what it does is that it closes this. See, there we go. So it closes this as a circuit. So it's an on-off switch first, and then the pressure sensitivity um, comes from the thickness of this piece here. So I can experiment with that. The thickness, the pressure on this, because this is piezo resistive, so it resists electricity. So you see here, um, as I apply more as I apply more pressure, it goes down towards zero. You see, so I'm pushing that, and the harder I push, the closer to zero it goes. And then I let my finger up, and it goes back to 1. So it is very sensitive, and it's repeatable. And I don't know if you can tell, but the quality of the print, of the dual print that I'm getting now, is much better. So now it's actually usable, and it's making very nice clean prints, owing to that extra these two 8mm bars that I replaced the 6mm bars with, and put 8mm bearings on there. So the dual extruder is working beautifully. So I'll report more in the next couple of days um, on how well this integrates when I add in the circuits and the wiring, which must be printed in, and interfacing that with the Atmega chip, so that it's a completely printed signal path. All right, more soon. Peace.